Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, consultant gynecologist and infertility and IVF specialist. Today I am going to discuss if your semen report, that is sperm report, is abnormal, whether you should take any medicine or not, and how long you should take any medicine. Remember, even if the husband semen report is abnormal, we need to see both the husband and wife together, because the treatment of pregnancy depends not only on the husband's report but also on the wife's age, the condition of the ovaries and fallopian tubes of the wife as well. So we need to see both of them together. Remember, if a single semen report is abnormal, there is nothing to worry, because semen production, that is sperm production, takes 3 months of time. So suppose today you have put very tight underwear or you are having fever. So after 3 months your sperm count may decline, but it will recover. So that's why we advise the men to do semen analysis from very authentic lab, because it varies from one lab to another laboratory. And secondly, you should do the test after gap of only 3 to 7 days, not more than this, not less than this. Otherwise there may be falsely abnormal report. So what will you do? If the report is mildly abnormal, we give some medicine called antioxidant, that is like some vitamins and minerals that are helpful for sperm health, that are not ordinary vitamins. And we repeat the test after 3 months. After 3 months, depending on the result, we can advise ovulation induction or IUI or IVF. But if the report is severely abnormal, what will you do? In that case, you should not ignore it. Before asking for medicine, it's important to find out the cause, because sometimes we may find very serious cause like diabetes, and if you control diabetes, in that case there is chance that your sperm count may recover. Secondly, we do some tests, like we can examine you physically, we can examine your private parts like testicles, we can do some ultrasound scan, and we can go for some hormonal test in blood, and sometimes we can advise some genetic tests. The main objective of this test are to find out any cause. If the cause is found, we try to treat it. For example, if there is problem in pituitary gland, in that case we replace the pituitary hormones. In that case, replacement of pituitary hormone can give dramatic results. That is, you can become father naturally with the help of using medicines, and these medicines are very much helpful in improving the sperm count. But unfortunately, in majority of the cases, we don't find any cause where your sperm count or motility is abnormal, or sometimes even if we find any cause, we are not able to treat it. But even in that case, we can make you father by using your own sperm. So in that case, you can take antioxidant, but what happens? Sometimes men are taking antioxidants years after years. This is harmful. Why? Because if you are wasting time in taking antioxidants, sometimes it can happen that today your sperm count is low, but after 1 year your sperm count may become 0. So we have to treat your condition. How? By IUI or IVF using your own sperm. IUI means your sperms are collected and then your sperms are processed and inserted inside your wife's uterus. You can do IUI for maximum 3 to 4 cycles. If that fails, you should go for IVF. But to do IUI, your wife's age should be younger, your wife's fallopian tube should be open, and your wife's ovaries should be normal. Otherwise, we cannot do IUI. If these conditions are not fulfilled, we have to go for IVF. Secondly, suppose your sperm count is very low. In that case, we cannot do IUI using your own sperm. In that case, the only option is IVF. That is special type of IVF where we collect your wife's eggs and we collect your sperms and we inject your sperms with the help of very fine needle inside your wife's eggs, and the embryos are formed. Then the embryos are transferred inside your wife's uterus. So if your sperm count is mildly abnormal, you can try antioxidant. If your sperm count is severely abnormal, you have to find out the cause. You can try antioxidant, but don't waste your time by taking medicine years after years, because it may be harmful. You have to do some treatment like IUI or IVF. But one thing you have to remember, even if your testosterone is low, don't take testosterone therapy, because testosterone will further lower down your sperm count, and testosterone can make from sperm count very low to 0. So don't take testosterone as treatment. But sometimes you can say that sometimes you can find that sperm count is 0. What will you do? Again, there are many men who are insisting on giving medicine. Remember, in that case, we have to find out the cause. Only one case where medicine is helpful is if there is pituitary gland problem. Otherwise, we can make you father, can make you biological father by collecting your sperms from your own testicles by small needle. We call it TESA, testicular sperm aspiration, and then we do ICSI and help you becoming biological father. So if your sperm count is abnormal, if your semen report is abnormal, before taking any medicine and before wasting time for taking medicine, consult with your doctor, try to find out the cause and go for definite treatment. Thank you very much.